Hello guys, today we start the video with bike start locker and also start engine. I have this bike. I have been buying from a man, but actually he had a problem. He couldn't start it again here anymore on the starter. The key was not working anymore, so I've been ordered this another one, but the problem I have right now today, it's the battery is locked and I cannot pull out the battery. So today we're gonna open everything so we see how we get the battery out and change this one. Definitely to change it is not so hard because I have some screws under, and definitely we can pull out after that. I've been already tested this one. I have been ordered from Banggood. They say longer delivery, but I was so happy because I got it in 1.5 weeks. Was telling me it's coming from Chinese, but they found that they have it in Sweden. So I was very lucky and I got it, and it's really working. And I think it's the same size, no different size. And actually I think I'm very lucky because here in Denmark they are not they don't do this on the service. They are not changing the locks. They don't search to fix something like this. And the battery, actually, it's very expensive. So everyone know who have a bike. I have been buying this bike only for $80, very cheap. And yeah, it's amazing. I have a lot of dust because I was waiting this one. And today we're gonna open and see if I get troubles. I'll let you know. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to press like and leave a comment. Okay guys, we got the back part of the battery here, so it's easy because we can disconnect each part without any problems. So we can pull out all these parts without any problems and take it away, and be more easy to see if we can find a way to unscrew that somehow. And that's all we do now. We were just going to unscrew all the parts so we can take it away from the bike and be more easy to find a way to take the battery out and change that starter. Okay guys, we have found that we need only to push this in the hole. We force a little bit with this key inside, so we now we're gonna pull out the battery. Definitely have to come out. It's coming out, and this is the good part, that we have already the battery out. And now we have these two screws that is holding the locker. We'll just take off, and let's do it now. Let's change the head of the key of the screw. I think this is the size. Yeah. So let's take it off now so we can change it. It's a little bit wind outside. It's come on. Yep. Now I want to see how I get off when it's turned on. So this chip, it's only 80 crown. It's about $11. So take off now. Let's see how we do that. I need to find out, because now I cannot take it off more. Okay, let me see if the screws are fit in there. Well, actually I don't think so. Only the problem I have right now is the screws are not in the same place like the other one, but I'm gonna find out. I'm going to do that. Most important is now to take it off. So let me find out. Don't hold you too much. Okay guys, we got it out. Actually it was not so hard to do this part. I just pull it out, force it on this side, so I could push it on this way. So after I've been pushing in here, I want to see, you see, the difference is not really big. So the size of the lock, I think it's a little bit smaller. It's not so important for me. Take the key out, and then I need to see how I'm going to put back and make it stay also. So yeah, this one was on the top of it. So let me see if I can. Yeah, so actually we have only one screw what is fit in this, because this one it's the area where it was you know, you see these two screws. So actually I'm gonna hold it only in one screws now, not in two anymore. But for me it's fine for this price of the bike. So that's a good thing when people don't like to fix it, or maybe just don't hold in because they don't give insurance for something like this. This is not really made by offshore service. Sorry, I'm thinking on computers. Yeah, so I'm just going to put this on, and now let me find out. Come on. You don't want to stay there. This cable don't help me that much. Come on. I need to see if it's get here right, exactly on the side, exactly on the. Come on. Okay, so it looks maybe this one I don't have to put anymore because the size don't let me to do that. Yeah, and this it's fit very well, but without this one I don't need it anymore. This was an extra part, so it can fit on this. So this one is a little bit bigger, but actually this one was making some good thing for me. Now let's screw. Okay, so I need to find another screw, because this one is definitely the bigger one. I think they have been sent me. I just need to find them. I need to find the package, and then I'm gonna put this one. Okay guys, okay guys, we have been mounting here. We have been putting the screws and cut a little bit this one because was not exactly the size I needed, and now should work everything. This one is going out, that's great. Now let's connect the light from behind, and the light is working, so the battery is really working. The pieces we have been just put it's working. Okay guys, we are back. I have been putting this back, and everything looks really great here. This one is not moving, it's staying perfectly. Let's test it again. The light is working perfect, and now let's put it back on the place where she have to stay. And now perfect. The lock is working very well. Everything it works. So we got a very good day. Let's keep it locked. So I have been mounting it directly here. I'll just put it back this part so I could connect it to the bike. Okay guys, now we connected back to the cables here behind of the bike. So let's get it in to make sure they're connected right. Yep, so she's connected now. Let's put the cover. Okay guys, looks that everything works. The bike light, everything stay fine, and also this one show us that we have a full battery. So we will gonna go for a ride now and see what is going on.